Oh my God. I cannot believe this. I just can't believe it. Pan Am. I got a Pan Am. Holy cow. Oh, there's like 4. Oh my goodness. This is like so awesome. Holy cow. Pan Am. Oh no, look at this, another Pan Am. And this G, I don't know what that is. G. It says MEC, so. And then it says something else on top, but it's all scratched out. Oh, that's what it is. Guilford Rail System. Holy moly. See, I kept it clean. There's kids watching. Holy, look at this. This is awesome. Oh, make my day. Lenny Miller, thank you so much for the heads up on this. Holy cow. They picked up all, let me see. I don't want to get in the sun. Damn. I mean, darn. Oh, now they're stopping. I wonder why they're stopping. Look at it, it goes all the way back there. You know what? They're going over this. Look at it, it's like a little trestle. You can hear my Fred signal. See? Look at them. And they go all the way down there. Oh my God. See the little red signal? That means nobody's coming the other way, which I believe is south. I think they're going north. Then again, they could be going another direction, but I stopped. But you see, I don't have Pan Am in my radio. But I got the Fred. That's how I know when the trains are around, even if I don't have their codes in my scanner. Maybe I'll get Pan Am in mine too. Well, this is very cool. All right, they're stopped. So I'm gonna cut this off. Sorry I can't edit. I wish I knew how to edit, or you wouldn't have these long, drawn out episodes of me and the trains. Anyway, nobody forces you to watch them. I have fun making them, and that's like the main thing. But this is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna wait for them to move.